A federal high court in Abuja, Nigeria's capital, on Monday declined the request of the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, to be moved to Kuje Correctional Service Center. Justice Binta Inyako, in a ruling, turned down the application by Nnamdi's Kanu lawyer, Ifeanyi Ejiafo.
The Nnamdi Kanu we are talking about today is person that was abducted in Kenya on July 19th, on June 19, 2021, then tortured, subjected to all forms of inhuman treatment and degradation, inflicted with grievous bodily harms, which is still in his body today. So after spending 8 days, after subjecting him to all sorts of torture, then he was handed over to Nigerian security agents 8 days after. So on the 29th, they brought him to court. So what I'm saying is that we are talking about gross violation of Geneva Convention Protocol, which agreement Nigeria entered into in 2001. This is very fundamental because as far as we are concerned today, Nigeria's image in international community has been damaged, has been bastardized by virtue of what has been taking place. We don't go to a foreign land and kidnap somebody. If the person has committed an offense known to law, you subject him to what they call extradition proceedings.
Earlier, when the matter was called, the leader of the IPOB was not brought to the court by the Department of State Services. Counsel to the Attorney General of the Federation, MB Abubakar, informed the court that though he was ready to proceed because the defendant was not in court. However, Justice Inyako, who condemned the prosecution's act for not producing Kanu in court, ordered that Kanu should be brought to court in the next adjourned date. Security was heavily beefed up in and around the court in order to prevent breakdown of law and order.
I am very, very disappointed why the federal government decided not to bring Nnamdi Kanu. Look at the DSS, it's not far. We have cars everywhere, embarrassing people, beating people. Lawyers were being embarrassed.
Kanu, who was arrested on 27 July abroad, was said to have jumped bail around September 2017. He was, however, produced before the trial judge in Yako on June 29 to stand his trial. The judge had, on March 28, 2019, issued a bench warrant for Kanu's arrest after she revoked the bail that was earlier granted him. Kanu was arrested on October 14, 2015 on 11-count charge bordering on terrorism, treasonable felony, managing an unlawful society, publication of defamatory matter, illegal possession of firearms, and improper importation of goods, among others. He was charged alongside 3 other pro-Biafran agitators. Kamil Sadiq, reporting for CBA TV, Nigeria.
I can only say I'm disappointed. I thought I was going to see Nnamdi Kanu and certify that he's alive and breathing. But as it is now, we wait. He is my son. And I don't know what they did to him in Kenya and what I do to him now here in Nigeria. And how the court set a date and the government could not bring the person they are accusing, the person they kidnapped from Kenya